Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, I would like to show what new feature we will be having added to the book repair online.co.uk. Let us switch again to the display. Let us switch the page, and with a funny name actually. We can see that, hold on a wee second, I'll take it lower. It's a Kanban planner. So those who don't know it, Kanban is just like Asana has it, Bitrix has it, Trello has it, and Nextcloud has a deck, and we're using it. Yes, so you can add new card here, another one. Yes, and you can name it, let's say to do. Okay, and after some time we'll be able to change the names, because for now it's just the preview how I would like to see it. Yes, and then you can add content to it. Yes, so here we can put job number could be pulled automatically if I would want. For now, no. For now I need to use everything by hand because that's just a preview. Yes, what we planning to do. So let's say here is oh, I just had an MSI laptop screen replacement. Yes, for instance, if a customer has brought in the display, we need to replace it. And later we will be able to designate this job to some person. Yes, so you see this is here. And this way, yes, this way we can then move this one to, let's say, from to do to, let's say, to in progress, or designated to some employee or a person who's helping you, for instance. And this way it's nice. I'll show you because I'm using as well here. There's no personal data, so you see how many of them I'm using here. So it's not only one, and there's more, but that's just, you know, part of it. And then I've got much more, you know, you could scroll and, you know, all of that. Yes, so yeah, you see, it's when I'm doing orders somewhere. Yes, when I'm ordering for myself, that's for later. And then there are those statuses, action required. Yes, there are some old jobs which I need to push through as well because I have to. And then, you know, then you've got to see how many to do there is. It's a lot, and I can say it's really useful. To be true, I can work with only book repair and brilliant. But when the time comes really busy and I need to plan each and every day, then it's much easier for me to use this Kanban and plan next jobs in the queue this way, because then I'm taking existing jobs and creating tasks from these jobs, and then I can designate these jobs to myself or use our calendar, see who's in today, and then I see that, let's say, Pavel is in today, or Alan has time, or Adrian, yes, which is learning right now, and then I can designate these jobs to these people, and then when these people are coming, they will see their own jobs which they need to do without talking, without doing anything, and only they know where the spare parts are, where the stuff is, because now it's the stuff for the customer here. And then we will tidy up more, and we will prepare more space so that it will be less messy and more organized in a better way. We need to move donations. That's the biggest problem, that's the biggest challenge at the moment. So I'm waiting on our Livingston's community shed. Maybe there will be premises and we can just take it over there. And we'll be organized. But as you see, book repair online now will have a Kanban. Now we can add statuses without contacting web dev team. So that's mean if I've got just booked in or received, yes, the stuff, that's in the new bookings section, and then it's undergoing work, which there is plenty of statuses. It's fault finding during repair. What else do we have? Because there's like quite a few, to be true. I'll go and it doesn't matter. Actually I can check it out for you. So yeah, waiting for, it's like waiting on customer, waiting on parts, waiting for collection, during repair, fault finding. And then each and every repair shop in the future will be able to add more of those statuses, so depends who feels what. They will have their own statuses custom as well made, and as well in the future we can do like it's shown who's fixing it, yes, so that's the thing, because the plan is to add employees to this, or contractors, and then we know we can track everything, yes. So the app is really growing nicely, and in the busiest time it's really helping. Only that I was using Nextcloud's deck till now, and now this Kanban will be built in, so I will be using only one app and plus calendar. I won't ask WebDev team to build a calendar yet, because I want to first see what we're using from the features of the calendar, and don't code all the calendar, it's not needed to be true. So we will code only those features from the calendar which we're using the most, rather than coding whole calendar and spending a lot of hours on it. What's the point, you know, doing more work if you can do less work? But that's the ultimate plan. So we're building shop so that each and every repair shop will have their own e-commerce web store. At the moment it's already, most is done, it's just one guy is finishing the payment system at the moment for the shop, like a checkout, because the basket is already built in and stock is displayed as well. And apart from the shop, we've got this Kanban done by second person, yes, and there are some minor changes as well, like those statuses and other stuff. And then will be employees and calendar. Those two last features will be added to the Book Repair Online, and then we can manage many people and many branches of the Inte team across the UK, and get new people who can manage their own businesses from A to Z by using Book Repair Online. And then Christoph has started doing like in the last year even, he started to do version 2.0, where you get custom domains, so then you can attach your own domain name, have a website on it, have a shop on it, have a booking system, and manage your system from A to Z, plus have a chat built in, plus have a forum built in, plus have a payment system built in, and now this Kanban as well. I would say, guys, this is great software, this is awesome software, top-notch software, and whoever will come up with any other idea apart from what I have, I'm happy to do it. For those who don't know, there is as well inventory control, stock control, so you can manage your own internal stock, or you can add as a global inventory to your shop, yes, and sell it to your customers. Plus then other repair shops see it as well, and then they can browse in the either shop mode or either in the data table stock. So then when they see that one of the repair shops has it, they can contact them and go get it from them, rather than buy from eBay and pay fees on eBay. And this way we can save up a bit of money as well, and have everything better organized, yes. So there will be small features which we will be adding, but the idea is to merge all the repair shops across the UK and help one repair shop to another. So I think you can see how we're growing, and yeah, I'm thrilled, guys. I'm really thrilled, you know, about all those new features, and yeah, I'm looking forward to other people as well telling us what would be nice to add it. And after some time, once we will have that calendar done, I think will be time to make a scheduler, because some people would like to schedule by the time, by the date and by the time. So we would be able to have on-off booking system, where you will have a choice of booking our ordinary way, like we've got at Book Repair Online, by just, you know, brand, model, and like type of the device and what it is, yes, and add serial number, etc. Or use a calendar to book in and drop off at that particular day, or ship it, or so on, yes. So yes, Book Repair Online is thriving, guys, and that's all I wanted to show you. Hopefully you enjoy what we've done as a team. we've pulled out great software. I can say few guys pulled out a really great software, and you've got no idea how it's easy to manage your own business thanks to the book repair online. It's unbelievable. It's like I was frustrated that I need to remember about this, about that, about this. It was so annoying. And now once all of it will be done, we will sit with an accountant. He will say us what need to be on the accountant side, and then we can create accountant office, and then accountant will see only the data which we allow accountant to see. So in that case, if you have an accountant, if you've got a repair shop and you would like to give them an access, but you don't want them to have an access to everything, we will restrict it as well. So then the accountant can pull the data or have sent reports automatically as well. If they've got any other software, we could even integrate that software with our software, so that this would be automatically pulled from our database to theirs. Yes, so that will be the last step. Yes, but first we need to do those features. So yeah, super exciting. Fingers crossed it will be done really shortly. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and if possible, leave us a like button. It's really nice to see them coming. Thank you. Bye bye.